back in 2019, when I started my business, my definition of success was if I was able to make a lot of money from my business, I was a successful business owner. My updated definition of success is slow mornings with my kids, mentally more present parent when I am with them. My mind is not constantly thinking about getting back to work, clocking back in, finishing some deadline, flexibility in my work schedule. If there is some thing that comes up, meeting with the teacher, kid got sick at school and I need to go pick him up, he spilled his lunch and I need to go and drop lunch for him at school, dentist appointment, doctor's appointment, or something of that sort, anything which is out of the ordinary, it doesn't become a crisis situation for me. I can easily decide and easily maneuver meetings that I'm supposed to do for my business and fit what is important, prioritize my family, my kids, and things which I want to give importance to. That I feel is so much more important than the money that you make. If these prime years of your life, if you are just running after building something, doing a job, getting burnt out, and your time, your energy, everything in these years, if you are giving to making money, and by the time you reach your retirement age, you do not have the energy to enjoy the money that you made, your kids have grown up, you did not build those relationships and the connection that you can build at this stage with your kids, you have missed out on that time. So all of that money that you earned, what was it for? There are so many ways to make very good money, but if that comes at the expense of your family, your kids, and your health, I feel it's not worth it. If that is the case with you, if you feel you are sacrificing on the important things in your life just to make money, that is not success. It's time you change your plan, to look into something that can help you build the income that you want while having the life that you truly deserve. I was able to do that by building my digital marketing business 6 years ago. And if you're looking for something similar, reach out to me. I can guide you how this works and how it can help you too.